Hello, Miss Julie.
Hello, Miss Bella. Malaki sa phone. Thank you.
If there's one person or thing na gusto mo maka-reconnect, sino ang ano ito?
Dalawa. Dalawa siguro. Isa yung, unahin ko na yung mas like, yung pusa ko si Sputnik. Yan, na-miss ko siya. And second, siguro yung lolo ko kasi he loves watching MMFF movies. Siya yung kasama ko dati nanonood ng Enteng Cabezote. So, he would love to watch this movie. This is his type of film. He likes light movies na maraming artista. So, yan. Yung lolo ko po siguro.
Tama yan. Gusto nila yung maraming artist na movie. Kasi I remember 2 years ago, ang naging surprise sa box office, yung Family Matters. And it discusses about family, di ba? So, malaki talaga ang chance nyo. Would you think so?
I think we all have a fighting chance. So,
Dapat kami yan yung sulat, anak lang.
kasi nakadalawang press con po kami.
Araw-araw na.
Nasa sa inyo po yan kung talagang magna-number 1 kami. Pero I believe we all have a fighting chance. But ako lang sa temperature ng Philippines right now, diba? Ang dami nating problema. I feel like it's about time we watch something naman na light and uplifting. Something inspiring. I mean, I'm not saying we should...
Na walang mamamatay ha. Baka akalain nyo kasi madali magpaiyak, di ba?
Yeah.
Christmas, lagyan natin ng mamamatay. Walang mamamatay. Okay?
So, hindi na talaga ganun. Sa iba, pinamamatay.
Yeah. Wala kami pinatay dito.
Meron daw, parol.
Parol lang. At saka internet.
Internet.
Totoo.
Yeah.
Internet. No, but I mean, I'm not saying we should ignore our problems or we should turn a blind eye. But ako kasi the beauty of cinema for me is you go to the cinema, you're eating popcorn, umiinom ka ng soft drinks, makalimutan mo yung problema mo ng 2 oras. You escape reality for 2 hours. For me, that's such a blessing. So this is the type of film that will make you forget what your problems are for today. So I really wish people see the beauty of something this light.
Another, no? Kasi both sa box office, direct, di ba, actingan, mga award. And since sabi mo na form niyo yung movie, si Bella na yung naisip nyo. Ano ba chance mo, Bella, for the movie?
Ay, hindi ko po ginalingan masyado dito. Sakto lang po yung binigay ko dito. Gusto ko po lahat kami pantay-pantay. Charot lang. Joke lang. Kasi may mga Thai actors po kaming kasama dito. Joke lang po. Sobrang galing po nila lahat. Hindi. Siyempre, binigay ko po kung ano lang yung nararapat. Pero light lang naman po kasi yung character. Hindi naman kami umiyak ni Andrea. Sabi ko nga po sa inyo, tawa lang kami ng tawa ni Andrea dito. And I'm so pleasantly surprised by Andrea. She's so smart, she's so lovable, so misunderstood. Like when I finally got to work with her, so nice. Yeah, I realized she has such a good head on her shoulders. And
Yung casting nila is not just because, pagsamahin natin si Andrea at si Bella. We had to find a parang kontrapunto. Diba? Parang ate, parang best friend, parang, alam mo yun, pwede ba sila magkapatid or magkaiba yung tono nilang dalawa, di ba? So, kasi kung iba yun, kung minsan nga, yung sa ibang, may pairing din na iba eh. Kung minsan iniisip namin, kailangan mas maitim siguro yung isa kaysa sa, alam mo yun, para mas maganda yung batuhan, di ba?
the visual. But yeah, Andrea and I worked really well. We are surprised with our chemistry also. So, parang, I just love the whole process of this, and yeah, I'm excited for you guys to see it. But yun, acting-wise, I hope we win Best Ensemble. Yun po. Hindi na po ako naghahangad dito ng sarili kong award kasi ano po.
Yun na. Mag-create na sila ng bagong kategory. Yan ang isulat nyo. Bagong kategory po, ensemble, best ensemble. Kasi wala ka lahat magaling. Meron naman pala eh. Sure ball na kaya. Amin na yan.
Best float. Ayaw natin ng best float. Kasi yun yung mga pampalubag loob.
Tsaka mahal magpatayo ng float.
Yung
Maliit award ba? Malaki yung gastos.
Meron sa Best Original Music.
Best original music.
8 songs.
8 songs. Tapos may 2 pa kaming classics na nilagay.
Yeah.
Yung classics na yan, hindi rin lang yan parang, ano available, ano mura.
No.
We picked 2 of the
Talagang Filipino classic
well-loved,
Christmas songs.
of the most well-loved songs, no? One that is light and fun. The other one is this really emotional, no? Na song, which is, di ba? It hits the spot. Sa
Yeah.
trailer, di ba? Lakas, di ba?
Yes, direct. Dadagdagan ko na direct ang tanong ko kasi baka mamaya hindi na namin ma-interview si Bella.
So, tatlong article po ito. Kasi, talaga, ako ba yung marketing talaga? Tatlong outlet.
Ay, Bulgar kasi ako tsaka Abante ko.
At least iba-iba ang headline.
I love it. Thank you so much.
We love you, Tita
Just
Julie.
speaking of Andrea kasi ganyan, di ba? Direct at tsaka Bella, okay lang ba sa'yo na yung billing?
Ano po?
Kasi parang nakita ko na ulit yung pangalan ni Andrea before yun.
Okay lang. Ako naman po, alam ko naman anong lugar ko sa industriya. So, wala naman po sa akin.
Ganun
Okay
ba?
lang po. Actually, hindi ko napansin. Dahil sa'yo, papanoorin ko ulit. Hindi ko napansin.
Pero, maganda yung tanong kasi yan yung isa sa
Kasi
pinakamahirap na
Anderson.
part. Yung
Brillantes.
yung casting, which hindi ko rin, hindi na nga namin, iniisip.
Napansin ko
Pero
yun.
yung casting kasi with so many actors involved, di ba?
Ako si Dizon.
One, may Gloria Diaz ka, may, alam mo yun, so you're trying to, ayaw naman namin ng in order of appearance, di ba? or alphabetical order. Parang, di ba, cap out. So, mahirap.
Oh, kasi I can't question that eh. Because if I question that, that means I think I'm bigger than Miss Carmina or Sir Zoria or Miss Gloria, diba? Which I don't. So, I'm not gonna argue my position with Andrea Brillantes. And I know naman how many films I've done and what TV shows Andrea has done, so it's okay.
Last question, Miss Bella. May movie rin ang best friend mo si Angelica sa...
Yes,
So,
on
how was it?
Mary. I haven't watched it yet po.
Pero i-sponsor kaya kayo ni ni Kim? Ayan, last
For
question
what?
ko po. Special premium.
Hindi ko po alam. Ito-text ko si Kim mamaya. Sinong iba-block screening mo this year? Hindi pa natin alam. Hindi, wala naman po kami ganyan. Hindi po kami nagpa-pressure sa isa't isa. But I will invite both of them to the premiere of this. And nag-invite na rin sila. Attorney Georgie naman sa premiere nila. So, kami naman lagi support sa lahat ng project. Kung ano man yan, lagi naman kaming naka-ready. So, yun po. Basta libre kami.
Oo, baka magkalaban pa kayo ni Angelica.
Ay, hindi
sa
po. Pang best actress po siya dito
Thank
sa
you po.
MMFF. Opo.
Thank you, Tita Julie. Let's go to Grace from Metro Magazine.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi,
I'm
Grace.
from Metro. Okay, my question, you said earlier that parang almost instant yes yung project, say when it was pitched to you. So what is it about the project that made you say yes right away? And then as a follow-up, you mentioned that you read the script and then it made you cry and all that.
Yeah.
What is it about the script
Mhm.
that you love?
Okay, the first part, I think I mentioned earlier, the instant yes was the location. When they told me that I was gonna fly to Bangkok, it was an instant yes because I used to fly to Bangkok every summer since I was a little girl. My dad was living in Thailand for 30 years, and the last time we saw each other was in 2019, pre-pandemic. And then I moved to London. It was very strict din yung rules ng Bangkok ng pandemic, so I couldn't fly in. And then I moved na to London, so it was too far. And then in 2023, my dad passed away in his sleep. It was very fast. So hindi na ako nakabalik ng Bangkok ulit. And then I felt like I was avoiding it. So even if I had opportunities to fly to Bangkok, I would always say no. Because I knew I was gonna be too sad, or like I would remember my dad, or I would go to the places that we used to go to. So I didn't look forward to going to Bangkok at all. But when they told me that this film was gonna be shot in Bangkok and it was gonna be work, I felt like, okay, that's a good reason for me to revisit this place and maybe take baby steps to see this or come to terms, with this place again. Because I feel like I didn't grieve properly when my dad passed away, but I just brushed it off. So it was very cathartic for me. Like this was, like I said kanina, parang therapy session tong film na to for me. So that was my initial thought when they said we're shooting in Bangkok. Yes, I'm gonna take this project. And then I didn't hear the rest of the pitch. I'm kidding. I did. I'm joking. And then the fact that it's a big cast, pressure wouldn't be on me. I felt like this is a good opportunity to rest because movies are my parang this is my favorite thing to do, right? So, I came from a good film. I came from Isang Daang Awit para kay Stella. I have a movie with Carlo Aquino in January. So,
Shooting, yeah. Finished shooting. Yeah.
we're finished shooting, it's coming out na. So parang I have 2 films back-to-back na 2 character stories. So the weight is all on you. And then finally I get an opportunity to work with such a beautiful cast. Such a light story where the pressure is equally divided. So it's such a no-brainer for me to say yes to this. The character is also very lovable. Like Trisha is so relatable. She's your typical Filipino na responsible daughter na nagtatrabaho abroad. One of the draws also of the character to me is she's an OFW, but she's not your typical OFW that you watch in movies. Hindi siya inaapi, hindi siya kawawa, hindi siya umiiyak. She's your strong, independent, modern OFW, which I meet a lot of now when I travel. So I like the representation of OFWs here. When you see my character and Andrea's character, you'll see a fresh take on what OFWs are nowadays. So those were my main reasons for saying yes to this.